Hi, I am Ravi Kumar. In this video, we will see how to check whether the journal is Scopus or not, and also how to check whether the journal is SCI or not. First of all, we will see how to check whether the journal is Scopus or not. See, for that one, in the Google, I am typing scopus.com. This the scopus.com is the URL you have to type. This website gives you the information about the Scopus. Here we are seeing two things: author search and the sources. Click on that sources. In the sources, you will get these two things. Here, if you want to search with the title name of the journal, here you have to select the title. Suppose you want to check with the publisher name, you have to select here publisher name. Suppose you want to search with the ISSN number, you have to select here ISSN number. I want to search here with the title name of the journal. So title, here I am typing the title, International Journal of Speech Technology. So click on find sources. After clicking on find sources, here you are able to see that one result will come, and this is the journal, International Journal of Speech Technology. This is the citation score, and this is the number of citations. These are the documents in 2015 to 17. This is the percentage of cited papers cited. Now we want to know more about the journal, so click on this journal name. You can see the journal metrics here, cite score, SJR, SNIP here. Here in 1995 it has Scopus status, after that it has lost, and from 1997 to present also it is in Scopus status. So it is published by the Springer here, ISSN number, this is the unique number given to the journal, and the main area which it publishes is linguistics, languages, computer vision, computer science software. So you can see all these things, and also you can see how the citation score is calculated, that 1.39. Citations count in 2018 by documents from 2015 to 17. This is the formula they are using. Like that you can see the more information about the journal. Even also you can search with the ISSN number. This is the ISSN number I am copying here, and I want to search with the ISSN number, means I am getting back here. Here I want to select now here with ISSN number, and here I am entering the ISSN number. I am clicking on the find sources. Now we got one result here. That is the International Journal of Speech Technology. That is, you can search here with the name of journal or with the ISSN number. The same data will be seen in the actual journal website also. This is the journal website, International Journal of Speech Technology. Here also they mentioned about the indexings of this journal, abstracted indexing in ACM Digital Library. Here we will see the Scopus here. So you can check on the journal homepage, but the valid information can be obtained from the Scopus database site only. This is the journal homepage. Now coming to the Scopus, here we have author search. How this will helpful is, in author search, click on that author search. Suppose you have published some 3 or 4 papers previously. Now we have to check whether the papers are added in the Scopus database or not. So here I am checking here. Let us consider this is the name I have typed here to check whether my papers is there in Scopus database or not. Now I am clicking on search here. Now there are many names with the Ravi here. So to have better search here, come back once again and here type affiliation. So where we have worked while publishing the papers. So I am typing here Lakreddy Polity College of Engineering, and now I am clicking on the search now. Now it is showing Ravi Kumar, Ravi Shankar and Ravi Shekhar. Now here my name is this one, so I am clicking on this Ravi Kumar. Now it will show us that how many documents that are available in the Scopus database, that is 4. How many people cited those 4 documents, and what is the H index? H index based upon the citations. This is the Scopus H index. So like this, you can see whether your papers are available in Scopus database or not. Also, we can see the papers list here and author names and the journal name where you have published here and the number of citations of each paper here. So like this, you can see your credentials and your details in the author search here. And one useful information about this here Scopus.com is this Scopus database is actually updated for every 6 months. If any new journals are got Scopus status, then those are not updated immediately. So in the Scopus.com, if you scroll like this here the customer service is there. So click on contact us here so that you can directly chat with them or you can just message them also. Here we can email the respective question such that, Madam, could you help me to find out whether the journal with ISSN number and title is Scopus or not. They will help within 1 or 2 working days, or else here you can directly chat with them in online itself, but that should be in working hours only. So if you click on the chat there, it will ask your contact details. So type the details here. Here email address, the answer for your question will be come to your email what you are giving here. Here you can write something about the question. Suppose I want to ask about the content of the journal, whether the journal is Scopus or not. May I know whether the journal International Journal of Engineering is Scopus or not. Now we can submit the request here. Within 1 or 2 minutes, the respective people will come into the online to solve your problem. This is the chat box opening here. Observe here, you are currently in number 1 in the queue. You have to connect it to the agent within 48 seconds. So somebody came into the live here. Now you can ask the question here. Could you help me in checking the journal speech communication is Scopus or not? So click enter here. Now they will respond for our question immediately. Along with journal name, if you give the ISSN number, then it will be more helpful for them so that they can give the response very fast. Now we will see how to know whether the journal is SCI indexed or not. For that one, the site is mjl.clarivate.com. The website, Web of Masters, Science Masters. Here we can type the journal name or ISSN name. Here I want to know whether the journal is SCI indexed or not. Speech Communication Journal. And click on search. Find the search and giving the information speech communication elsewhere publications, and it is a Science Citation Index expanded journal. So like that you can see the SCI indexed journal in this website. Now we can see this same status Science Citation Index expanded in the actual website also, Speech Communication Journal. This is the Speech Communication Journal website. This is the ISSN number, and in this journal home page you have to go for the abstracting or indexing. For any journal, abstracting or indexing is the thing which shows the Scopus indexed or not, or essay indexed or not. So click on this abstracting or indexing. Now you can see here, so Cambridge Scientific Abstracts and Scopus also. This journal is a Scopus, is in Scopus database also, and Science Citation Index Expanded, this SCIE, Science Citation Index Expanded. So like that you can verify in the home page of the website, and also you can confirm that one by looking into the scopus.com and mjl.clarivate.com. Thank you.